नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रिपर्टरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, digital version 2.0. This is our clinical class. Bonnigason concept of totality is based on following concepts. This is book BTPP, Bonnigason Therapeutic Pocket Book, TFLN edition. What is the principle of the BTPB? These are some principle that is given by Bonninghausen. First is doctrine of analogy. Second, grand generalization. Doctrine of complete symptom. Prime importance of modality. Doctrine of concomitant. Importance of physical general. Placing the mental symptom at the end. Evaluation of remedy, and last is concordance. Doctrine of analogy. Bonninghausen had observed that some symptoms appear in the constantly varying combination in the proving as well as the disease and are governed by the peculiarities of individual. He learned that symptom which excited in incomplete state in some part of given case could be reliable completed by analogy. By observing the condition of other parts of the case, he proceeded upon the Hahnemannian theory that it is the whole patient who is sick, that the parts together make the whole and the whole consists of the parts. Therefore, every symptom or part of the symptom belongs to the case as whole and enable us to complete partial symptom by combining separate fragments as whole. Doctrine of generalization. Bonninghausen discovered that the sensation as well as conditions of aggravation and amelioration are not confined to a particular symptom but are applicable to the symptom of the case. He emphasized the generalization of sensation and modalities as, in his opinion, they naturally predicted the whole patient. Hence, a particular sensation or modality is generalized on a large scale. Doctrine of complete symptom. Bonninghausen was convinced of the necessity of four elements constituting a complete symptom. जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को एक पहले भी एक लेक्चर में बता चुकी हूँ कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोर कंपोनेंट हमें सिम्टम को कंप्लीट करना है. वो फोर कंपोनेंट है लोकेशन, सेंसेशन, मोडालिटी एंड कंकोमिटेंट सिम्टम. लोकेशन मीन्स पर्टिकुलर पार्ट और द पर्टिकुलर आर्गन. सेंसेशन मीन्स जो वहाँ पे सेंसेशन, चाहे वो पेन हो या फिर कोई crawling like sensation हो, ant like sensation हो, numbness हो, these are the sensation. नेक्स्ट आता है मोडालिटी, जिसमें हम एग्रावेशन, एम्ब्लियोरेशन, जिसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम बढ़ रही है, जिसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम कम हो रही है, उसको इंक्लूड करते हैं. लास्ट इज कंकोमिटेंट. Morninghausen was convinced that the solid basis of four square foundation was the only method to securing the totality of the case and placing emphasis on concomitant symptom and modalities. However, he also advises that one single symptom, may it be ever so complete, plainly pronounced, can never be complex of all signs of a disease which are externally perceptible. For example, the whole complex of symptom nor enable us to guess the rest. Bonninghausen lesser writing पेज नंबर 285 से ये लिया गया है. According to doctrine of complete symptom, each particular symptom consists of following component. These are the location, sensation, modality, and concomitant. Next, doctrine of concomitant. The doctrine of totality of symptom includes the concomitant, for example, those seemingly have no relation to the leading symptom from the standpoint of theoretical pathology. They have an actual relationship in the that they coexist or appear at the same time in the same patient. They have no diagnostic value but are very important for the individualization of the patient, as they constitute what Hahnemann called there are strange, rare, peculiar symptoms. Importance of modalities. Bonninghausen attached the spatial symptom with modality in the construction of the totality. Generalized these modalities, causative modalities are most important, followed by the aggravation, and lastly by the amelioration. Last is concordance. This is the chapter of relationship of remedy observed by the Boni Hassan, in which he included in his repertory. He searched the materia medica for points of contact between the remedies based on similar location, sensation, modality, and concomitant. In this way, he was able to note which remedy were most likely to follow each other in the individual cases through the repertorization. He opined that it is the similarity of remedies that provide them with their antidotal action as well as complementary powers. The importance of mind, Boni Hassan did not underestimate the mentals. He wrote, the greatest and the most important variation are here found mostly in the state of mind and spirit, which must be scanned all the more carefully if they are not only sharply distinct but also of rare occurrence and therefore correspond to only few remedies. That is given in Boding Hassan Resar writing, page number 107. In his essay on direction for forming a complete image, he prescribed the detailed procedure and also point out the necessary consideration of the peculiarities of the mental disposition. For a sure selection of the right remedy, the most plain and definite information is necessary, and it should be always particularly mentioned what was the patient disposition when well and how changed through his disease. So this is the concept of Burning Hassan for creating a totality of creating a proper case taking. I hope you can understand what I want to say. If you have any problem, so please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly. Thank you.